welcome to my channel. So today we will study and learn about DNS server, and we're gonna set it up on our CentOS 9. Also we're gonna configure it, create zones, and with our two domains. So first thing first, I want to introduce you guys to DNS first. So what is DNS? DNS is the domain name system. It's a centralized naming system for computers, services, or other resources connected to the internet or a private network. So it translates human readable domain names, like example, you have a domain name something.com, something like that. So DNS gonna translate that to numerical IP addresses from something.com to maybe an IP address that normally use 192.168.1.10, something like that, so that computers use to identify each other. Computer can identify each other. So after that, about buying DNS server. So buying is a shortcut for Berkeley Internet Name Service domain. Berkeley Internet Name Domain. So it is the most widely used DNS server software on the internet. It provides a robust and stable platform for implementing DNS services. For DNS record types, so we have 6 types here. The first one is SOA. It's a short for Start of Authority. It specifies authoritative information about a DNS zone. Second one is NS, refer to name server. It specifies which servers are authoritative for a zone. For A, it stands for address, or you will hear something like a record, something like that. It's referred to address record. So it maps the domain name to an IPv4 address. Number 4 is CNAME. CNAME stands for canonical name. It creates an alias from one domain name to another. For MX stands for mail exchange. It specifies mail servers responsible for accepting email. And the last one we got here is PTO. You're gonna see this keyword when you create a reverse zone. So PTO refers to pointer. It maps an IP address to a domain name on reverse DNS. So for DNS zones, we have 2 zones here. The first one is forward zone. It's it translates domain names to IP addresses. And the second one is reverse zone. It maps IP addresses to a domain names. So to be clear and to understand how DNS work, we're gonna have a small practice, which we gonna create 2 forward zones, a reverse zone with our 2 domains. So in the next part of the video, we're gonna see how I'm creating these zones and how I configure it.